Unit 2, Lesson 1 test. The next 3 questions use the bar graph below concerning pizza toppings. Number 1. What is the most popular pizza topping? A. Mushroom, B. Onion, C. Pepperoni. Number 2. Which topping has 250 votes? A. Mushroom, B. Onion, C. Pepperoni. Number 3. List the toppings in order from the most popular to the least popular. A. Tomato, pepper, onion, pepperoni, bacon, and mushroom. B. Tomato, pepperoni, bacon, mushroom, onion, pepper. C. Pepperoni, mushroom, onion, bacon, pepper, tomato. The following 2 questions are based on the graph below concerning an animal safari. Number 4. Are there more chimps or deer on the safari? A. Chimps, B. Deer. Number 5. If we add the number of giraffes and elephants together, do we get more or less than the number of deer? A. More, B. Less. The following 5 questions are for the bar graph car sales below. Number 6. Which type of car was sold the most? A. SUV, B. Sedan, C. Hatchback. Number 7. How many fewer sports cars were sold than hatchbacks? A. 1,300, B. 1,400, C. 1,500. 8. How many more SUV cars were sold than sedans? A. 1,000, B. 1,100, C. 1,200. Number 9. What is a description of a physical model? A. A model containing mathematical equations. B. A model that you can touch. C. A representation of how parts are related or organized. Number 10. What type of model is this? A. A physical model. B. A conceptual model. C. A mathematical model. Number 11. What type of model is this? A. A physical model. B. A conceptual model. C. A mathematical model. Number 12. What type of model is this? A. A physical model. B. A conceptual model. C. A mathematical model. Number 13. What type of model is this? A. A physical model. B. A conceptual model. C. A mathematical model. Number 14. Based on the graph below, how far does car D travel in 6 seconds? A. 1 meter. B. 2 meters. C. 6 meters. Number 15. What do the majority of cats spend their tax refund on? A. Cheeseburgers. B. Fancy Feast. C. Yarn.